Just picked up a keyless lock. Well, I guess actually it was just delivered. They're kind of neat. Just register your fingerprint, just like your cell phones. Register the fingerprint. Only works on a particular finger. All the others will turn, the light turns red instead of green. But it's pretty cool. Oh, right now it's trying to get me to register. You have to use to register a finger with the memory chip. The original registrar has to use the thumbprint to get it started. And then once it opens and turns blue, then you just add fingers to it. But that stops someone from just walking off the street and registering their finger. So that's cool. I like it. But you do have to get it on right. It wants to make sure it is you. It's kind of cool. They're 15 bucks. Pretty nice. It's not the biggest one, but it's certainly big enough for gates or shed doors, stuff of that sort. Toolboxes, I suppose. Luggage. Yeah. It's cool.